Hi, I'm Scott with Starkey Family, Fixing and Rigging Up. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Today we're going to haul lava rock. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, because of the policy of the company that I'm actually at today, I could not film the loading of my trailer. Okay, as you see, I've got 30 pallets on here right now, side by side, of course. But what is not normal is normally I don't double stack pallets of things like this. Well, the order on this load required 30 pallets, so, well, you see where they're at. So today we're going to work with this, and normally I do things a little bit differently, but this time my plan on this is I'm going to put my tarps down first, and then I'm going to put my straps on over top of the tarps. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up all my straps, and I'm going to place them on the trailer where I need them at. Okay, I've got all my straps laid out where I need them. I've got my two down here at the bottom, my little portable ones. I'll put over those two stacks. Now, as you notice, I've got 4 straps right here. Well, those are going to go over top the 2 on the very top, which are standing on these 3 right here. So these 4 straps will cover all these pallets right here. So now, since I got those laid out, I'm going to go ahead and lay my bungees out. Okay, I've got my bungees hanging on all 4 corners of the trailer now. And the reason why you want to do that is, when you do hop up on the trailer and you do start, laying out your tarps and everything, if the wind kicks up, you need to be able to hop down here really quick and access your bungees and tie it down before your tarp blows away in the wind. Now today, the wind's not bad, so I'm not going to have to worry about that. But yesterday, I was in a really bad rainstorm. Okay, so this is what it looks like from up here. So now I need to carry my tarp down to the end of the trailer and roll it back towards me. Okay, so I've got the tarp on, so now it's time to use the bungees and secure it. Okay, so I've got the front taken care of. I still need to take care of the back, but since I've got the front taken care of, I'm going to work my way down on the trailer, and as I get a section of the tarp secured, I'm going to throw some straps. Okay, I've got the tarp strapped down. So now, all I'm going to do is, I'm going to bungee everything tight, and then I'm ready to roll. Okay, I've got everything taken care of, so now I'm just going to go around and do my walk around, make sure everything's taken care of. So far, everything looks good. Okay, we're good. Okay, I'm finally finished. This load's been miserable in this Oklahoma heat and humidity. Wow. Anyways, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I hope you've learned something on this. And have a great day. Catch my next videos, catch my previous videos. Just check my whole channel out. And don't forget, I have another channel too, Starkey Family Gaming and Fun. Check that out. See ya.